Okay, so you can go swing them.
Who's that for?
To Sierra.
Sierra.
There's another one.
Come up here in the middle of the floor.
Come here. Come over here.
Come over here.
Come over here.
Is that an empty bag there, Elise?
Want some help?
Stay here. Not right now. Melissa, I gave this to you to put the wrapping paper in.
Oh, look it!
What is it?
What? Is that off of Barney?
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes, it is.
No.
So it's just like a Furby.
Next year, take the price off.
I wrapped it off. I crossed it off, didn't I? Oh, no, I didn't.
No, you can't. Okay, go put it over with your swing.
Do you want to get the get the paper, Melissa?
That's why I gave this bag, Pumpkin.
What do I have to put the garbage in?
Just throw it in the bag. The bag's right there. What takes a
Well,
second?
can somebody hold the bag open?
Melissa.
Well, let's crumple it all up into a ball and throw it in the
My
garbage.
finger hurts and I don't like crumpling it up.
Okay, you sit in the chair. I'll pass the presents out the rest of the morning, okay? Call her up to the middle.
Here's the Come on.
Come on, you got another one. Here it is, right here.
Here. Open it. What could it be?
What could be?
What'd you say?
Oh.
That's nice. That's nice, eh?
Yeah.
It's a storybook. My first read along.
The story? You see?
Storybook with a tape.
Yay!
Maybe we can listen to it at Grandma's.
What's it saying? What's he saying? What's he saying?
Can I
You
please
see?
do this?
I want to open my present.
This is for me.
Okay, let's go. Mrs. Turn. Who's it from?
I want to open it.
You want?
What is it?
It's a CD holder.
Mommy,
Thank
open
you.
it.
Is that better?
It's a CD holder.
Can you take it out?
I don't want to. Put that back.
And you know what you can do? When you get more CDs, you can get another one of these, and it attaches. You can attach it on the top or the bottom or on the sides. So you can make a square or a rectangle or anything. Just keep attaching them as you get more CDs. Where's your stuff? Okay, listen, here's a box for you to play with, Sierra. Here's a box.
I'm trying to look for something for Daddy.
Okay, there'll be stuff coming.
What? Look at me.
Most of the stuff will be for you guys.
I just wanted to say Merry Christmas to you, and I think you're great.
Here you go, Sierra.
So you gotta sing who it's from.
It's from Santa Claus.
Ooh!
Why does this thing keep going blurry?
Because it's filming a tree. There's a little button on the front. Wait,
What
see it?
is it?
There's a little button on the front.
Yeah.
Push it.
Funny movie.
Push it on manual focus.
It's funny.
Mom.
A little black button underneath the lens. Just push that black button, then you'll see MF and the little screen. Yeah!
It's funny, but I can watch it.
What is it?
It's a Barney movie.
Barney's Great Adventure? Oh, we can watch it. At Grandma's.
Yeah, that's at Grandma's. This is for here.
I know. Here you go, Dad.
Thank you.
Mommy,
What?
Teletubby.
Yeah.
Mommy, I'm a Teletubby.
To
Pardon?
Lisa from Santa.
Okay, you can film Mommy opening that one.
I don't want to film. I want to take a picture.
Open it.
You want some help?
Open that.
Okay, like,
That way. Look at that.
Upside
come
down.
here.
Go over there with Melissa.
What is it?
What is it?
What is it?
It's a buggy.
Mommy, open it.
No, we will later.
Open it.
Oh, it's a buggy for Sierra to put her dollies in?
It's a buggy for you to put your dollies in.
Open it.
No.
Open it.
Ask Mommy.
Mommy, Mom, open it.
Bring it here.
Bring it to Mom. Take it to Mom.
Pick up, before another one gets open,
Open
Melissa.
it for you.
Okay, just a minute.
Pick up what?
Because it's already in the left.
Mom, check off movie holder and CD.
No, no, you don't do
Oh,
that.
hold on. Come on.
You gonna take it out?
Chocolate over there.
To Lisa from Santa.
Who's eating that chocolate over there?
No one.
No, serious.
Here, I can put to the baby.
Yeah.
I have no clue what that is.
Oh!
Daddy got that.
Yeah, okay, looks after it.
You did?
Yep.
From Toys R Us.
The ones I got, I had to take back since I saw that.
This is real slime, Dad.
What?
This is real slime.
Awesome.
Yeah.
Dad, can we go and start the wire?
I know
After.
that says Wheel of Fortune.
Look what Mommy's got.
American's #1 game show.
You go sweet.
Hey, your Teletubbies on the floor.
To Sierra from Daddy.
Uh-oh, another one.
Open it.
Put your baby in. Who are you showing?
Says for marker.
Open it.
Marker.
Open it.
What is it? I thought something again.
You want some help?
What is it?
It goes, here comes the Teletubbies. That's what it's called. Here comes the Teletubbies. Whoops.
A movie.
Next time, take the price off.
195.3, today's best. Yesterday's classics tragically hit
Wow.
the bomb.
Probably dead.
Huh?
Probably dead.
No.
Here's the
Yeah, we'll play with it after, Dolly.
Canada's going to try to hold out. Do they have them all open yet? No?
Thank you, Mommy. Thank you, Mommy.
It's from Santa.
Thank you.
From Santa Claus?
But she's saying thank you to Mom. They're pajamas. We'll wear them tonight.
Barely, but thank you.
There we go.
Well, thank you so much. You have a great day with yours. Take your time. Bye-bye. And Merry Christmas, everybody.
From Santa Claus.
Get your butts out of bed. Keep listening. I'll have seasonal tunes to get to as well this hour. Wallflowers, Dave Matthews, and the Eagles. In this fast-paced world, it's nice to slow things down during the